Huh? Why is it so quiet? Where did everybody go? Leo? Are you still here? Please answer me. Mom? Dad? Where are you? I am scared. Everyone ready for the field trip today? Let's go! Let's go! Ah! Today is gonna be awesome. I am excited. The car. Look at all the cars. We are almost there. Wow, look at that dinosaur. It is absolutely huge. Stay with your group today. Yes, okay, teacher. It looks alive. I think it is watching us. Ha! This place is amazing. I never want to leave. We leave in 30 minutes. Time goes so fast. My legs feel tired. Mine feel very tired too. I might sleep on the ride. Me too, brother. The bus feels so relaxing. Just a tiny nap. I will wake up very soon. Sleepy time now. Everyone off the bus now. Have a nice day. This is not school. Where am I right now? Hello? Is anyone here? Please, someone answer me. I do not know this place. I want home.
Oh my goodness! You are still here on bus?
I can't find my class.
Don't worry, child. What is your name?
My name is Mia, sir.
Which school do you go to?
Green Valley School. Wait a second. Where is Mia? She is not here. I thought she was here. She was on bus. Mia is missing. What could have happened to her? Call the bus company right now. Hurry, call them. Mia should be home soon. Maybe she is hungry. Hello? Yes, this is Lyly. Is something wrong? What do you mean? Where is my baby Mia?
What is wrong, Lyly?
Mia is missing from school.
What? Let us go and find her right now.
Here you go, some water.
Thank you, kind sir.
I found a student. Her name is Mia, sir.
Did you call my mom?
Yes, I am trying.
Hello? Thank goodness! You found our little girl safe. She is completely safe. Thank goodness for that, yes. Is she okay, Jack?
I hope so, my dear.
Did everyone forget about me? Nobody even noticed me.
That is not true. Everyone is looking for you.
Really?
Of course they are. You are very special.
Is Mia safe, teacher? Yes, she is safe now. That is so good to hear. I was scared.
Mom will be upset.
No, she will be happy.
I should have stayed awake. This is my fault.
Accidents happen, sweet girl. You are okay now, see? We are here at the depot.
Hurry, let's go! Mia! Mia! Where are you?
We are here.
Mom? Dad? Is that really you outside the door? They are here! My parents are finally here now! Mia! Oh, there you are, my sweet baby. I thought you forgot me. Never, my sweet baby.
Mom.
Oh, I am here with you, sweet girl. I was so scared. I know, my sweet baby.
Are you okay, Mia?
Yes, I think so, Dad.
I woke up all alone. Nobody was with me.
We were looking everywhere. We never stopped, sweetheart. I thought you forgot me. I felt very lonely.
We would never forget you. Never, ever, sweet girl.
She was very brave. She stayed completely calm today.
Thank you for helping me.
You are very welcome.
Thank you so much.
I'm glad she is safe.
I want to go home now. Let's go home.
Today was very scary.
Yes, it really was, Mia.
What happened after you woke up? Tell us, Mia.
I called for Leo, but nobody answered my call. I thought I was lost forever.
Oh, my Mia.
We are home now.
Finally, we are back safe.
Mia, you are home. I missed you so much.
I missed you too, Leo.
I am happy now. I am so sorry, Mia. I should have checked.
It is okay, Leo. It was just an accident.
I was worried all day. Were you really, Leo? Everyone was worried. Everyone searched for you all afternoon.
I'm happy we are together.
Me too, my family.
This is the best dinner ever.
Better than pizza?
Maybe not better than pizza.
That is a good answer.
What did we learn today?
Don't forget your sister. And do not sleep on the bus.
Very important.
If you have a problem, find a trusted adult.
That's what I did. The driver helped me today. I thought I was alone.
You are never alone.